Anjeer or figs are known as the fruit of heaven. It is a natural source of protein, phosphorus, glucose and calcium. Commonly seen in its dried form, dry or soaked, in both forms, figs have several potential benefits to offer. Rich in vitamin A and C, anjeer is also a great source of vitamin D and vitamin B that is crucial for our bones and skin. Anjeer should better be known as a medication instead of a dry fruit. A few common benefits of anjeer are mentioned below. Find out how they help you stay healthy. 1. Figs for acne and blemishes. Anjeer helps cure minor zits and pimples. Apply mashed figs all over your face and let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. This remedy is useful to cure acne. This helps blister get dried and leaves no scar behind. Fig is also used for beauty purpose when blended with milk. It helps remove blemishes and spots. Applying fig paste over the face helps tighten the pores and control excess sebum secretion, while keeping skin pores unclogged. 2. Anjeer to cure constipation. Anjeer is a natural laxative that helps prevent constipation and other digestive problems such as irritable bowel syndrome (IBS). Soak 2 to 3 dried fig in water and leave them overnight. Consume them in the morning and do this daily for a month, every morning, to relieve constipation. 3. For heart disease and kidney stones. Dried figs are loaded with antioxidants. Anjeer, like tomatoes, cleanses our blood. It is rich in vitamin E and vitamin C, thus, it acts as an antioxidant in our bodies. According to a study, dried figs have high quality of antioxidants that play a vital role in eliminating free radicals, while preventing heart disease and kidney stones. Boil 6 figs in a cup of water. Consume this daily up to a month. 4. Anjeer strengthen bones. Anjeer contains phosphorus, vitamin D and calcium that help strengthen bones. In Pakistan, most of the women after the age of 50 experience osteoporosis and back pain. 1 dried fig gives you 3% calcium of your daily calcium requirement. Eat anjeer to reduce the risk of osteoporosis, prevent the thinning of bones and loss of calcium from your body. 5. Figs for breast cancer. Breast cancer has recently become common in women, especially after menopause. Anjeer is high in fiber, thus, it helps prevent breast cancer and is beneficial for women of all ages. Eating figs regularly can help reduce the risk of breast cancer. Free radicals are the major factors behind the development of cancer. However, figs provide its wealth of fiber, and help get rid of free radicals. 6. Promotes weight loss. The fiber content in anjeer helps lose weight in the obese people. But don't overdo it. Consuming more than recommended may cause you to gain weight. 1 slice of dried fig gives you 47 calories, and you obtain 2 grams of total fat per dried fig. So, whoever wants to lose weight, shed pounds with fig. 7. Improves sexual health. Figs may help boost fertility and reproductive health. They are rich in minerals such as zinc, manganese and magnesium, which play a vital role in improving sexual health. Moreover, they are also used to overcome sexual weakness. Soak 4 to 5 figs in milk overnight and eat in the morning. 8. Cures hypertension. Anjeer is one of the low-sodium foods, hence, are a perfect food to keep the effects of hypertension at bay. Making figs a relaxing food can help relax the nerves and bring some calmness to your day and peace to mind. 9. Soothe sore throat. The soothing nature of anjeer and its natural juice can help relieve throat pain. Anjeer is quite useful in treating various respiratory disorders such as whooping cough and also lessen the symptoms of asthma. Mix dried fig and honey in water to get rid of sore throat. 10. Eye care with anjeer. Anjeer contains vitamin A that helps improve eye vision and reduce the risk for macular degeneration. Consume 3 to 4 dried figs on a daily basis and decrease your risk of age-related vision loss. Figs are also helpful in getting rid of dark circles under the eyes, also removing wrinkles and fine lines. 11. Good for diabetic patients. Anjeer is a healthy snack option for diabetic patients. It contains significant amount of potassium and magnesium that help stabilize the release of insulin in our body and control blood sugar levels. 12. Cure iron deficiency with figs. Dried anjeer is rich in iron that helps increase the amount of hemoglobin in our body. Therefore, eating figs is a natural way to increase your hemoglobin levels by raising the levels of iron in your body.